My name is Dan Rhodes. I'm an Area Sales Manager for the Huski Construction Equipment product range. I've been in the industry, that's the construction, mining and earth moving industry, since 1989. Toyota Material Handling have been dealing with Himac for over 10 years now. We've always found them helpful and happy to assist whenever required. We are a factory-owned outlet of Toyota Material Handling Australia. We sell the range of Toyota forklifts, the Huski construction equipment range, which consists of skid steer loaders, the new range of Huski mini excavators, and Huski EWPs, elevating work platforms. We would sell a customer a Himac attachment as a backup, the service and quality of the product is excellent. We find it important to deal with a local supplier. If a customer has a special request for an attachment, it can be made to suit his needs. If any issues arise after that point, it can be fixed without any fuss. We find the best thing in dealing with Himac is they are happy to assist should an issue arise, the local support, the local backup, and the ease of doing business with them.